In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Hostinger account and access the HPanel to manage your websites effectively. Let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other browser you regularly use. Once open, you'll want to navigate to the Hostinger website. Simply type www.hostinger.com into the address bar and hit Enter. This will take you directly to the Hostinger homepage. Next, you should locate the Log In button, which can be found at the top right corner of the page. Give it a click to proceed to the login page. Here, you have a couple of different options for logging into your account. You can enter your registered email address and password. It's crucial to ensure there are no typos in your email or password to avoid any login errors. Alternatively, if you've previously linked your account to a social media platform like Google, Facebook, or GitHub, you can use those credentials to log in. Simply click on the corresponding icon, and you'll be seamlessly logged in with a single click. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be automatically redirected to the HPanel dashboard. This is where you'll find all the tools and options you need to manage your websites. HPanel offers a user-friendly interface, and it's designed to make website management as straightforward as possible. Here, you'll have the capability to manage all your websites under one roof. You can access all your website files directly from this dashboard, making it easy to upload, manage, and organize any content you need. Additionally, if you're setting up emails for your domain, you can do so directly from HPanel. It's a great feature for ensuring that your website's communication operates smoothly. And if one of your tasks is to install WordPress or manage an existing WordPress site, HPanel provides direct tools and options to simplify this process. Lastly, keeping an eye on your resources is vital to ensuring your website runs optimally, and HPanel offers monitoring tools to help you track your website's resource usage. That's it. You now know how to log into Hostinger and utilize the HPanel for managing your websites, accessing files, setting up email, installing WordPress, and monitoring resources. Each feature within HPanel is designed with ease of use in mind, allowing you to focus more on your content and less on technical management. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more tutorials to enhance your web management skills.